Good morning, grade 5. How are you all today? Today we'll be revising the frigid zone. Which zone are we going to revise? The frigid zone. So, the frigid zone are what? There are two frigid zones. One is in the northern hemisphere and one is in the southern hemisphere. The frigid zone in the northern hemisphere is known as north frigid zone, and the frigid zone in the southern hemisphere is known as south frigid zone. Okay. Now, the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere is Arctic Circle basically, and the frigid zone in the southern hemisphere comprises of the Antarctic Circle basically. Antarctica is the closest place in the world and it lies to the south frigid zone. Canada, Greenland, parts of North America and Asia, Siberia, parts of Australia and the northern parts of Europe are also situated in the north frigid zone. So let's talk about again in the parameters the way I told you. Location we've talked about. Let's talk about the climate. Now the polar regions have continuous days during the summer and continuous night during the winter. So during the winters there'll be only night, and during the summers there'll be only day. You will not have night, so you need thick curtains there, okay, to keep you away, so that you can sleep at night. Okay, that time is the only night out there because there is sun all the time. Both the frigid zones receive very little sunlight. Both of them, north frigid zone and south frigid zone, both of them receive very little sunlight. The temperature is always below the freezing point, accompanied by extremely cold and chilly winds. In winter, the temperature drops down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. The summer season is warm and lasts for 2 to 3 months. The South Pole is the coldest and driest and windiest place in the world. Let's talk about the vegetation. Plants like mosses, liverworts, lichens, grasses, bushes grow in the frigid zones. They have adapted to survival in the extreme environment and can withstand low temperature and dehydration. Dehydration means when there is no water. Okay, there are no forests in the frigid zone. So in the frigid zones you will not find any forest. Animal life. Birds like Arctic tern and snowy owl inhabit this region. Reindeers, caribou, hares, polar bears, musk oxen, seals, whales, walrus, huskies are found in the frigid zone. Penguins, krill, seals and fishes are also found in Antarctica. Human life, let's talk about the human life. There is no permanent human residence there. Inuits or Eskimos, the natives of Greenland, have adopted to the harsh climate of the frigid zone. Okay, now there are many, their main occupations are hunting seals and reindeer. So what do? They hunt the seals and they hunt the reindeers and they also catch the fishes from the coastal areas. Bows and arrows are used for hunting. They wear clothes that are made of skin of seals. The skin of seals, the skin of seals is thick. So they wear clothes of that only. They build their houses with the help of snow blocks known as igloos. Scientists stay in specially constructed temperature-resistant houses to conduct research in Antarctica. Food and clothes. Inuits are mainly hunters. Earlier they used harpoons to hunt animals. Harpoons are now replaced by rifles for hunting. They also use boats or kayaks for hunting sea animals. Umek is a broad boat which is used for whale hunting. They use meat of seals and reindeers. Inuits of all age groups use jackets with hoods lined with fur. They also wear long boots, gloves and warm leggings. Obviously because it's a close, cold area. Case study of Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world. It is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. It is a part of North American continent, but it is politically considered to be a part of Europe. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. The climate is cold throughout the year. Greenland has modern vegetation of transport, modern means of transport and communication. Nuuk also has an airport. Changes in lifestyle. Today, life in frigid zone has undergone many changes. There is electricity, permanent houses at most places. There are schools, hospitals and shops in many villages and towns. Computer education is made compulsory for the children. Motorboats are now used for hunting. So today we are done with frigid zones. I want you to go and search about these Google about what is kayak, okay, see what kayak is, and these terms which are Inuits, okay, igloos, just see, Google about them, see the pictures. It will deepen your understanding. Research more about whatever you learn. Take care. Happy learning. Thank you.